Craig Janowka, sprayer specialist for Case IH, here to demonstrate how we can move object pools or UTs from one display to another. So we have all of our object pools or UTs loaded on our Pro 1200 right now. If I wanted to move them so I could see them on the Viper 4 Plus, all I would simply do is on any of my UTs, I have this status where it shows the two monitors. So all I would simply do is press on there. It's going to ask me if I want to switch displays. At this time, I hit the check mark, and now it's going to load the UT onto my Case IH Viper 4 Plus. So you can see I have the object pool now for my Auto Boom Auto Fold now loading onto the Viper 4 Plus. Well, I can utilize moving my RCM sprayer, my axle adjust, RS1, or my vehicle navigation. I can move between screens. So again, I can go through and customize both of my displays to my liking on there. Right? To move it back, I simply would hit the button of the two displays, hit the check mark, and now it's going to move the object pool or the UT back to where I had it on my Pro 1200. Okay? Well, it's going to go through the process, and now I've got those UTs backloaded on here. That's how we switch object pools from the Pro 1200 to the Case IH Viper 4, or from the Case IH Viper 4 back to the Pro 1200.